Crimping pliers for coaxial cable might not be the flashiest tool in your kit, but they're absolutely essential for anyone serious about strong, reliable connections. Imagine them as the skilled craftsmen in the background, making sure your TV shows stream perfectly, your gaming sessions stay uninterrupted, and your internet speeds are always blazing fast. These pliers work by securely fastening the metal connector to the end of your coaxial cable, ensuring that the delicate internal wires stay intact while providing a rock-solid connection. It's like giving your cable the perfect handshake, firm, secure, and ready to deliver peak performance. What makes these crimping pliers so special is their blend of strength and precision. The jaws are designed to apply just the right amount of pressure, so your connections are tight but your cables stay undamaged. They're also built with user comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic handles that reduce hand fatigue and a ratcheting mechanism that guarantees consistent results with every crimp. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, these pliers make it easy to achieve professional-grade results every single time. With crimping pliers for coaxial cables in your toolkit, you're not just making connections, you're ensuring that your entire entertainment and communication setup runs smoothly and reliably.